everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Polka Wallet. So let's get started. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Polka Wallet application on your mobile device. Once you've got it, tap on it to launch it open for the first time on your device. From the first interface, select the Create Account button. Under Create Account, you'll need to go ahead and back up your mnemonic phrases. Select your account type you'd like to back up the mnemonic for, and then go through the information first. On the next page, the app will generate a recovery seed phrase for you. It is a crucial backup in case you forgot your password or lose access to your device. Go ahead and tap the next button at the bottom, and then it'll tell you not to take a screenshot of your recovery phrases. If anyone gets hold of your recovery phrases, you might lose funds from your wallet. Tap on the OK button to reveal your mnemonic phrase. Write down the mnemonic seed phrase in the correct order in a piece of paper. After you've done that, tap on the next button at the bottom. Now, select the recovery phrases in the correct order to confirm that the backup is correct. After typing in the phrases in the correct order, tap Next at the bottom. Now, in order to create your account, you'll need to enter your name and password. Create a name for your wallet. Now go to the next field and type in a password. After typing it down, confirm the password by retyping it again. After typing in all of the credentials, tap on Next at the bottom and allow necessary permission for the app. After a few seconds, you'll be able to see your wallet on the display. Now, after creating your wallet, you can fund it by sending cryptocurrency tokens to the wallet address provided by the app. Once your wallet is set up and funded, you can use Polka Wallet to manage your assets, participate in governance, interact with the apps, and much more. That is how you can easily sign up for Polka Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.